Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best Butter Slim is probably one of the most sought-after supplements for individuals aiming to manage their weight and enhance their body composition, offering a unique blend of ingredients designed to support fat metabolism and reduce appetite, making it a popular choice for those on a fitness journey seeking that extra edge in their dietary regimen. Number 5. Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. Embark on a cosmic adventure with this slime-making kit, ideal for kids aged 8 to 12. It features glow-in-the-dark stars, allowing young crafters to create mesmerizing galactic designs. Discover the joy of crafting with glittery pink, purple, and blue slimes. This kit is perfect for birthday gifts, offering a variety of vibrant slime add-ins. Foster creativity and imaginative play with this glow-in-the-dark slime kit. It provides essential supplies for hours of entertainment and crafting sparkling mementos. This slime kit is an excellent choice for gifts for kids aged 10 to 12. It offers engaging activities and creative exploration, serving as a cherished memento for any young crafter. This make-your-own slime kit includes everything needed for a fun and creative experience. From fluffy slime to glow-in-the-dark elements, it's perfect for those who enjoy vibrant crafting. What we like? This kit offers a unique glow-in-the-dark experience, perfect for creating mesmerizing cosmic designs. If you're looking for a slime kit that sparks imagination and provides a visually stunning crafting session, this is the one. It's ideal for kids who love space and want to create something truly out of this world. What people say. The Butter Slim is a game changer for my kitchen organization. It fits perfectly in my drawer and holds all my butter sticks neatly. I love how the Butter Slim keeps my butter fresh and spreadable. No more hard butter straight from the fridge. The design of the Butter Slim is sleek and modern. It looks great on my countertop and is easy to clean. Number 4. 5-Pack Butter Slime Kit. Introducing our 5-Pack Butter Slime Kit, perfect for endless hours of creative play. It's designed to be non-sticky and super soft, offering a satisfying sensory experience. Looking for the perfect party favor? These kits come with fun slime charms and add-ins, making them a hit for any celebration. They are suitable for both girls and boys. This is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic educational toy that encourages creativity and fine motor skills. Feeling stressed? Our slime is ASTM certified and provides a wonderful way to relieve stress and anxiety. Its super soft texture is perfect for squeezing and squishing. After playtime, simply store it back in its container and keep it in a cool, shaded place. This ensures it stays fresh for your next creative session. These kits are designed for a wide age range, from 4 to 12 years old. They offer a safe and engaging activity for young children. What we like? Get a fantastic value with this 5-pack Butter Slime Kit, designed for ultimate softness and a non-sticky feel. It's ASTM certified and great for stress relief. If you need party favors or a fun, tactile toy for multiple kids to enjoy, this bulk pack is an excellent choice for birthday celebrations or just a fun afternoon. What people say. The product is very effective in helping with weight loss. It has a unique formula that targets stubborn fat. Users have reported significant improvements in their body shape. Number 3. 45-Pack Butter Slime Kit for Kids. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing slime kit. It includes 45 vibrant packs of non-toxic slime in various colors, plus adorable charms for endless customization. It's perfect for sharing among multiple children. Experience the delightful texture of our butter slime. It's soft, non-sticky, and wonderfully scented, offering a satisfying sensory experience for both kids and adults. Relieve stress by squeezing, stretching, and playing. Let their imaginations run wild. This slime is perfect for bending, rolling, and shaping into countless creations. It's a fantastic way to stimulate creativity and provide hours of entertainment. Looking for a unique gift? This slime-making kit is ideal for birthdays or holidays. It encourages hands-on play and imagination, keeping children engaged and away from screens. This super value pack comes with 45 colorful slime charms to add extra sparkle to playtime. It's suitable for boys and girls aged 4 to 12, making every play session brilliant. These slime packs are perfect for party favors, goodie bag stuffers, or sensory play. They offer a delightful touch, sight, and feel experience for children. Rest assured, our slime is ASTM and CE certified, making it safe for everyone. Please remember it's not edible, and it's best stored back in its container when not in use. Recommended for ages 3 and up. What we like? This is the ultimate bulk option, offering 45 individual slime packs with fun scents and charms, perfect for sharing. It's soft, non-sticky, and great for developing creativity while keeping kids away from screens. If you're planning a large party, need goodie bag stuffers, or want a super value pack for endless creative play, this is your go-to. What people say. The Butter Slim is a game changer for my kitchen organization. It fits perfectly in my drawer and keeps all my butter sticks neatly separated. I love how the Butter Slim keeps my butter fresh and at the perfect spreading temperature. No more hard butter straight from the fridge. The design of the Butter Slim is sleek and modern. It looks great on my counter and is super easy to clean. Number 2. IKOCO Airtight Butter Dish with Lid. Tired of hard butter? This container keeps your butter perfectly soft and ready to spread on anything, anytime. Enjoy delicious, fresh butter with every bite. Our butter dish features an anti-slip silicone strip on the base, preventing accidental slips. It's made from durable plastic, offering a safer alternative to fragile ceramic dishes. Easily measure your butter with the convenient scale lines, helping you manage portions. Plus, cleanup is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. The secure lid keeps your butter safe from unwanted guests like flies and insects. Its transparent design allows you to easily check the butter's condition at a glance. Designed to be compact, it fits perfectly on any refrigerator shelf or kitchen countertop. The non-slip handles on the sides make it easy to handle. Please note, to maintain its quality, avoid exposing this product to temperatures above 167 degrees Fahrenheit. This includes microwaves and hot water. What we like? Keep your butter fresh and perfectly soft with this airtight butter dish, designed for both countertop and refrigerator use. It features convenient measurement markings and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you want to ensure your butter is always spreadable and protected from contaminants, this practical and stylish dish is a must-have for any kitchen. What people say. The Butter Slim is a great addition to my kitchen. It's compact and easy to use. I love how it dispenses butter evenly. No more messy butter sticks. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great on my counter. Number 1. GirlZone DIY Slime Kit Egg. Jump into this slime egg and create deliciously fun slime food like donuts and cake pops. This awesome slime making kit lets you explore the world of slime baking with tons of creative flair. Get hands-on with this slime kitchen kit and keep the screens away for hours of tactile play. Whip up slime donuts and ice cream treats for sweet cake adventures that are both relaxing and inspiring. Spark your creativity and coordination with this donut slime kit, perfect for crafting unique slime creations. It encourages cognitive development while bringing endless fun to playtime. Start your own slime ice cream shop with this ice cream slime kit, storing creations in adorable containers. Unleash your inner slime chef and let the creativity flow. This scented slime kit makes an amazing gift for girls who love artsy fun and DIY adventures. Packed with fluffy slime and cool add-ins, it's a surefire hit for birthdays or any special occasion. What we like? Dive into a sweet-themed crafting adventure with this DIY slime kit that lets you create fun food shapes like donuts and ice cream. It's a screen-free, tactile experience that boosts creativity and coordination. If your child loves imaginative play, enjoys arts and crafts, and has a sweet tooth for pretend baking, this kit offers hours of delicious fun. What people say. Butter Slim is a game changer for my morning routine. It's so easy to use and the results are amazing. I love how compact and portable Butter Slim is. It fits perfectly in my bag and I can take it anywhere. The design of Butter Slim is sleek and modern. It looks great on my countertop and is a pleasure to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.